It's slowly but surely becoming great shadow of market dominated by the iPad. The Oppo Pad 5 Mate Display Edition, known as Oppo Pad Air 5, is a large anti-glare display, long battery and solid performance. Tablet is what Oppo calls a 48 monthly protection, meaning it has been certified to deliver smooth and responsive for at least 4 years. Oppo Pad 5 Mate Display Edition comes in a simple box with a USB Type-C cable. You can get the pair with the Oppo's flagship stylus. The Oppo Pencil 2R is the integral part that makes this display edition fully functional. You can draw, write, and take notes all in by AI. It's an AI summary. AI will copy paste snippets you have circled, taking notes. Heck, you can even write poorly in the ugly hand, and AI will straighten it up. Pencil 2R is solid but definitely thicker than a real pencil. With a matte surface, it gives you a feel of writing on paper. Available in Wi-Fi only, a 5G capable with SIM slots. You get 128 GB or 256 GB storage with 4nm Dimensity 7300 Ultra processor with 8 GB of RAM. You get 10,050 mAh battery that lasts 50 hours play music, 10 hours of video and 6 hours of heavy gaming, 33 watt. You get 12.1 inch display, 7.5 ratio LCD IPS screen with 2800 to 1980 120 Hz refresh rate, 900 peak brightness. You get TUV LAN certification of 97% reflection and 70% to reduce blue light. The pack's the contrast you find top tier OLED, but it's still pretty